Is Instagram showing the could not take photo, please try again error when you try to take a photo on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective solutions to fix this issue. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check camera access for Instagram. Open the Setting app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, and tap Instagram. Make sure the camera toggle is turned on. If it's off, turn it on and see if the problem is fixed. Solution 2. Offload and restart the Instagram app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out Instagram app, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. After that, remove all the app from your background. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Find the Instagram app and swipe it up to close it. Reopen Instagram and try taking a photo again. Solution 3. Reinstall Instagram. Press and hold the Instagram app icon on your home screen. Tap Remove App, then Delete App. Go to the App Store and reinstall Instagram. Log in again and check if the error is gone. Solution 4. Check iPhone storage. Open the Settings app, tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage space available. If storage is low, try freeing up space and then test Instagram again. So that's how you can fix the could not take photo, please try again error on your Instagram. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.